In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gantt chart critical path in Monday.com. Optimizing your workflow and managing your projects effectively is crucial, and utilizing the critical path method can be a game changer for ensuring your team stays on track. So let's dive right in and see how you can make the most out of this feature on Monday.com. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com in your web browser. Once you're on the website, locate the login button. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to access your workspace. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to assume you're using a Google account to sign in. So go ahead and click on the option to log in with Google. This will open a prompt where you can select your Google account. Choosing your account will direct you to the main dashboard. After successfully logging in, locate the board where you want to access the Gantt chart view. This is usually one of your project management boards already set up with your tasks. Once you're inside the relevant board, direct your attention to the top header. You should see an option to view your Gantt chart. Clicking on this will bring up the Gantt chart view, displaying your project timeline in a clear visual format. Now, in the Gantt chart view, you'll notice three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, typically found somewhere near the top corner of the chart. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu will provide you with various settings and options to customize how your Gantt chart displays information. Look for the Settings option in this drop-down menu and select it. Once you're inside the settings, you'll find an option labeled Critical Path. Clicking on it will enable you to set up your Gantt chart to highlight the critical path. Finally, there's a specific feature you're looking for: Show Critical Path. By clicking on this, your Gantt chart will highlight the critical path within your project. The critical path is essentially the sequence of tasks that must be completed on schedule for the entire project to be finished by its deadline. This feature visualizes those crucial tasks that could impact your project's timeline if delayed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now easily identify and monitor the critical path in your Gantt chart on Monday.com, allowing you to manage your projects with even greater efficiency. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that implementing this feature facilitates your project management processes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.